1807 Erie, Padlock renovation. Grass needs to be cut. It's excessive. Recommend cutting down the trees in the front. It's blocking the entire view of the house. I don't know if you can tell in the video, the front porch is slanting at an angle to the right. It needs to be checked out and make any repairs. Got a crack in the column in the front porch. It needs to be repaired. The molding for the front porch on the outside is coming up. It needs to be repaired. Small trash out. Household goods. Closing kit on the front. Screen door. It's broken, needs to be repaired. Got scratches and several scratches on the wooden floors throughout. Needs to be checked out. There's also several paint drippings on the floors. Needs to be cleaned. Missing light glue, replace. Cracks in the door jamb. Paint on all the window panes for the side door. It needs to be cleaned or replaced. It's paint on the doorknob and the locket on the side door. Needs to be cleaned or replaced. Replace the blinds broken. The cover to the vent is broken, it's torn down, it needs to be repaired. Several markings on the walls throughout and nail holes. Color is sulfur tan. Paint on closet doorknob, replace. Attic crawl space, it's not fitting correctly. It needs to be recut, replaced, and painted. Hairline crack in the wall. More paint on the window panes. Needs to be cleaned. Markers on the wall. Small damage to the wall. Kitchen cabinet up underneath the sink is broken by the hinges. Needs to be repaired. Knives on kitchen cabinet for use. Needs to be repaired. Missing the bottom wood under the kitchen sinks. Needs to be replaced or repaired. Dishwasher is not set correctly. It needs to be repaired. All appliances need to be cleaned. Drip pans need to be replaced. Missing the drawers and the bottom shelf in the refrigerator. It needs to be replaced. There's a whirlpool. Small mark in the wall. The dryer duct is bent. It needs to be replaced. Front and back door needs to be painted. Got a crack on the back porch door step. It needs to be checked out. It is concrete. More markings on the wall. Small hole in the door. Needs to be repaired. Another door not painted. Baseboard is coming off from the wall. It needs to be repaired. This closet is going to need to be painted. More markings on the wall. Small hole behind the bedroom door. Needs to be repaired. Door stop needs to be installed. Missing kick plate into the bedroom. The wood needs to be cut so the kick plate can be installed. Missing hanging rod in the closet. One needs to be installed. Another door not painted on. Missing toilet paper roller. One needs to be installed. Toilet seat's tight. Towel rack's tight. Need a recaulk. Bathroom sink. Shower head's been taken down. It's laying right here on the kitchen cabinet. Needs to be reinstalled. This plug outlet cover does not fit the hole correctly. Bigger one needs to be installed. Got scratches and small dents in the front door. Need to be checked out. There's paint on the weather stripper by the front door. Needs to be replaced. Carbon works. Smoke detector is not working. Replace the batteries. If that doesn't work, replace the smoke detector. Missing the bottom plate underneath the refrigerator.